What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I need to make this bigger. I wanted to see what this Riz bot got going on. Where does Riz bot come from? I've seen it around, but I don't know where it came from. Hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, I might check out. I seen a little bit of it. Yeah, so let me check this out. It seemed to be fun.
Look at your dunks, bro.
Shit, I can't hear nothing. Hold on. Alright, we back in action. Alright.
Shut your bitch ass!
See, I seen that. I don't want to check it out with y'all. What the fuck is going on? Ranking the best Rizbot moments. Alright, I'm trying to turn it up. Why is it so freaking low? Okay.
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog? Nice, thank you.
Hell
Hey, good. Where you going? Oh my God, where you going?
Shut the fuck up.
Shit, I love it. You are my kind of kid.
It's like, wow, shit, I love you. And then the robot just started laughing. Alright, we about to go ahead and get into the video. So give me some time, baby.
If you don't know how to break.
Shit.
Hey, do a kickflip.
Alright. There you go. Alright. We got the craziest. I wasn't even supposed to see all of this. But, the craziest nature. Let me open this up. Alright, let's get it.
Nature videos from the past 10 years.
Hold on. Hold on. Don't move.
You know how bad your luck gotta be when you have a tree that just fall right there in front of you? Like...
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Wow. The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
You know, that gotta be the most scariest. Like, Oh, damn.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
Damn, that dude slid all the way on the other side. What, the building was tipping over? Hold on.
Back in 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Damn. That dude that's standing right there on the edge, I ain't gonna fall through.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet. Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland.
That's like some Final Destination stuff, though. Like, you moved out the way just in time, and that lightning just struck the tree.
Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Damn, dude seen it coming. He got up. He must have seen the lightning like way over there on the other side.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Great.
In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Here we go. Where do we get the boat?
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska. This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
That look crazy. It look cool, but it look crazy. Yeah.
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year. Back in 2019, a super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Grown ass man sliding down the street. I don't know, I'll probably be doing the same thing. I can't be tall.
And they also got to experience what snow and lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December 2017.
At that point, he's like, damn, where am I at? Am I in hell? Like, what the heck? It did say the world gonna end with fire.
Back in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China. About 12 months ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Damn,
This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
at that point, I'd be in the bathroom. Because you can't go outside to the car if you wanted to go somewhere else. You can't do it.
He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it.
Introducing Iron Beam, a bright choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is an
About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
Dude, like, what the heck? I mean, you just riding that jump like you out in the ocean with a sailboat.
Here's another rock slide video that happened in China in 2023. Back in 2015, Los Angeles had a very rare tornado event. About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
That's crazy. How devastating that gotta be.
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
And she's still standing there. You think that's more important than your life? Like, you just still stood there. Like, everybody's screaming and saying, get back, and you see the waves coming. What? Yeah, you see the waves coming. At that point, that's what you get. That should have happened because you knew it was coming. You could have moved out the way and avoided it.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Oh shit. Damn. That jump, that's straight melting that jump.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
That's good.
I know that icebergs are bigger.
I'll probably be out there too, just be looking at that jump. Like, damn, that jump look cool as hell. Don't be sucking me in at the same time.
Underwater than above water, but this is kind of crazy. In Pakistan in 2018,
Damn, they change. We in the Matrix. They're just doing it right there in front of our eyes. Probably didn't know somebody was watching it. So, well, let's go ahead and switch this up a little bit.
these people got a little too close to this avalanche. In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland. This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Damn.
In 2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Get that on video. I'm not laughing at the people that the roof fell on. I'm laughing at the dude behind the camera. I heard what he said. Get that on video.
It's officially over.
In 2021, these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
어떡해요.
This snowboarder in Nevada.
I don't have that much time to be just going up a mountain. Then you still gotta come back down, so that's more scarier than going up.
Accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh hell, y'all better run. I be skiing like I never did before.
This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
That's God.
This game, you're not ready for.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding.
Baby, we're still gonna walk through it. We're gonna still walk through this, baby. We're gonna get through this. Even with the earthquake, we're gonna keep on moving. Like, everybody just stay in y'all seats. We didn't kiss yet. So we're about to get married. And we're gonna have to do this while the world's shaking. Everybody calm down.
This dad tried to save his trampoline from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
He will get taken too.
Oh my gosh. Bennett!
Dang.
This video from Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like this.
Dicen que es grande, ¿va mucha?
There's one little house in the middle.
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo
agarraste.
Lo agarré, cabal.
This is called a crown flash and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Whoa!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Never seen lightning in a snowstorm. I know somebody in the world had to see it. Well, of course they seen it because it's on camera. Duh.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane. In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
Mira. No, el que viene de abajo.
In 2018, 4 water.
They just changed the shit in the Matrix, thinking we ain't gonna see that. See, they making all that shit. Just let me show these people something. Bing, 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 bing. About 5-6 tornadoes. Got shit flipping over in the ocean. I told I'm done.
Her spouse emerged on the coast of Thailand. A sinkhole in Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year. They were driving down a road in Sydney, Australia when this happened.
Wow!
Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened and
like, he wasn't even paying. See, I be looking at the little small stuff. Like, I'm sitting there pointing, using my mouse. Like this car right here. That car, he was so delayed of pushing brakes or slowing down.
Wow!
Whoa! Oh my god!
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year. This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
That's what they do when they want to get rid of shit. See, that person, they probably wanted that person right there. They probably wanted his property. I guarantee you they probably wanted his property. And he wasn't moving. He wasn't budging. The only way they're going to get you up out of there if they do some shit like that. I don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't listen to me. But anyways, I'm about to end it right there. Y'all want to see the rest of the video, I'll put a description down below. But yeah, hope y'all like the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.